Hi guys, let's look at the homework questions of the exercise 1A, which is basically GST, the first part of the chapter. Now GST basically is about calculating percentage of the value given. GST, there were two types, interstate and intrastate. Interstate is between cities or between states, and intrastate is within a state, which means within Maharashtra, for example. Now, in case of intrastate, there are two components, CGST and SGST. And in case of interstate, there is only one component, which is known as integrated GST. In case the GST rate is, let's say, 18%, then the integrated GST rate is 18%. In case of intrastate, if the GST rate is 18%, then the CGST part, which is the central GST part, is 9%, and the state GST part is 9%, which means the total money gets divided into two parts, CGST and SGST, which are equal. Otherwise, there is no difference between interstate and intrastate, basically the same calculation of percentage. Okay, let's go ahead and look at question number 4, which was given for homework. It says find the amount of bill for intrastate, which means what we are looking at is CGST separate and SGST separate. A transaction, the quantity is 18, MRP of each is given, and discount for each is given. So let's calculate the total MRP of the quantity. So total MRP in rupees would be 150 into 18, so that's 18 into 15, that's 270, so this is 2700. So I will now calculate price after discount. I haven't taken into account the discount yet. I'm just calculating total MRP for the quantity. 24 into 240, that's 24 into 24, that's 576, so this is 5760. Next, 30 into 100, which is 3000, and 12 into 120, 12 into 12, 144, so this is 1440. Now there is a discount of 10%, which means in case 1, I have a discount of 2700, out of which 10%, so 10% 2700 is 270, which means discount is of 270, which means the price will be 2700 minus 270, that's 0, 10 minus 7, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, that's 2430. So the price after discount is 2430. In case of the second one, the discount is 20%, so 20% of 5760, so 5760 into 20%, which means my discount is 576 into 2, that's 2 into 6, 12, 14 plus 1, 15, that's 10 plus 1, 11. So the discount is of 1152, which means the final price will be 5760 minus 1152. That's 10 minus 2, 8, 5 minus 5, 0, 7 minus 1, 6, 5 minus 1, 4. So the total price is 4608. In case of the third one, the discount is 30%, so 30% of 300, that's 900, which means the discounted price is 3000 minus 900, that's 2100. And in the last case, there is a discount of 20%, which means 20 upon 100 into 1440, which means the discount is of 288 rupees, which means the discounted price will be 1440 minus 288, that's 10 minus 8, 2, 13 minus 8, that's 5, 3 minus 2, 1, that's 1152, so 1152. So this is just the price of the product, no GST taken into account yet. Let's calculate the total price of all the products. So that's 8 plus 2, that's 10, that 3 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9, and this is 4 plus 6, 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 12, and this is 2 plus 1, 3, 7, 9, 10. So this is 10,290. So GST is at the rate of 5% of 10,290. That would be 5 upon 100 into 10,290. This gets cancelled. 5, 1, 1029 divided by 2, that's 212514.5. So the GST is rupees 514.50. Since we talk about money, we write answer up to 2 decimal places. So GST is equal to rupees 514.50. Here it is advisable to write the value of CGST and SGST separately. So CGST will be 514.50 divided by 2, which is equal to rupees 257.25, and so is SGST, which is also 514.50 divided by 2, which is rupees 257.25. So total bill will be equal to the cost of the product, which is 10,290 plus the value of GST, in this case 514.50, and this total amount comes to 10,804.50. So that's the total amount of the bill. Good, a lot of calculations, but fairly simple question. Let's look at the next one. The next one that we do is question number 5. Similar question, but in this case we have a interstate. So in case of interstate, we are looking at a composite GST, which is integrated GST, which will be calculated directly at the rate of 18%. In case this was an intrastate, then I would have divided it into 9% of CGST and 9% of SGST. In case it was intrastate, right now it is interstate, which means we're looking at only an IGST value. Again, let's look at the total MRP of all products and then followed by price after discount, right? So let's look at for the first product. I have 420 is the quantity, sorry, is the price for 1, and 35 is the quantity. We are looking at 420 multiplied with 35. That's 5 into 2, 10, 21, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 4, 12, 0741. So this is 14,700. For case 2, I have 47 products and 600 is the product cost of 1. That's 47 into 600, 7 into 6, 42, 6 into 4, 24, plus 4, 28. So this is 28,200. And in the end, we have 20 quantity of 350 price product. The 35 into 2, 700, 70 with 2 zeros, which means 7,000. Next, we are looking at a discount. So in case 1, the discount is 14,700 and the product price is 14,700. The discount is 10%, which means 1,470. So that's 0 minus 0. 10 minus 7 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is 13,230. For the second one, we have a discount again of 10%, which means the original cost is 28,200 minus the discount of 10%, that would be 2,820. That's 0. 10 minus 2, 8. 11 minus 8, 3. 7 minus 2, 5. And this is 2. So 25,380. And the last one, there is a discount of 20%, which means 7,000 is the price, out of which 1,400 would be the discount, which means this is 10 minus 4, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. This is 5,600. Let's go ahead and add. This is 0. 8 plus 3, 11. This is 3 plus 5 plus 1, 6 plus 6, 12. This is 1, 5, 8, 9 plus 5, 14, 2, 3, 4. So this is 44,210. Next, we need to calculate GST. So GST at the rate of 18% would be equal to 18 upon 100 multiplied with 44,210. So this is 4421 multiplied with 18. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 4, 32 plus 1, 33. 32 plus 3, 35. This is 1244. That's 87597. So this is rupees 7957.80 because I'm dividing it by 10. Again, I'm writing it in 2 decimal places because this is money. So bill amount will be equal to the cost of the product, which is 44,200 plus the GST, in this case 7957.80, and the total bill amount works out to rupees 52,167.80. That's the final answer. Okay, let's look at the next question. The next question that we have is question number 8. Dealer in Mumbai supplied to dealer in Delhi, which means we are looking at interstate, which means we are looking at a composite IGST. In this case, SGST value is given. So since SGST is equal to 9%, therefore GST will be equal to 18%. In this case, SGST is 9%, CGST will also be at 9%, which means total GST is at the rate of 18%. Again, let's calculate total MRP, and then let's calculate price after discount. Right, price after discount. In this case, total MRP, price of one is 180, and there we have 10 of each, which means the total MRP is 180 into 10, that's 1,800. 260 is cost of 1, and we have 20. So 26 into 2, that's 52, which means 5,200. 310 into 30, that's 93, so 9300. And the last one, 175, and quantity is 20. 175 into 2, that's 350, which means the total price is 3,500. For quantity 1, for the item 1, there is no discount, which means the price after discount remains the same. Similarly, for item 3, there is no discount, which means the price after discount still remains 9,300. Let's look at the second product. In this case, the discount is 20%. So what we are looking at is 5,200 minus 20% of 5,200. So 20 upon 100 into 5,200, which means we're looking at a discount of 104. That's 1040. So 0, 10 minus 4, 6, 1 minus 0, 1, 5 minus 1, 4. So this price is 4,160. Next, the last one. In this case, the discount is 30%. So we are looking at 3,500 minus 30% of 3,500. 30 upon 100 into 3,500. 35 into 3, that's 105. So we are looking at minus 1050. 10, 0 minus 0, 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 0 is 4. So this is 2,450. So this is the discounted price here. So the bill value, so total here in this case without GST is, this is 0, 6 plus 5, 11. Right, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 13 and 4, 17. This is 2, 6, 15, 17. So the total cost of the product after discount is 17,710. GST at the rate of 18% would be 18 upon 100 into 17,710. That's 1,771 multiplied with 18. That's 8. 8 into 7, 56. 8 into 7, 56 plus 5, 61. 8 plus 6, 14. That's 1,771. 8, 6 plus 1, 7. 8, 7 plus 4, 11. This is 31,878. So this is 31,878 divided by 10, which means 0.8 with a 0. And this is in rupees. Again, bill amount would be equal to cost of product, which is 17,710 plus the GST, in this case 3187.80. This works out to 20,897. 20,897.80. That's the final amount of the bill. Again, a very simple question, except that there were a lot of calculations in there. That brings me to the last homework question, which is tax invoice of a telecom provider shows services of rupees 750. So cost is equal to rupees 750. GST rate is 18%. GST percentage is equal to 18%. So the value of GST is equal to 18% of the cost, in this case 750. This is 5 into 2, 5 into 15, 2 into 1, 2 into 9, that's 15 into 9, that's 90 and 45, but this is rupees 135. So the GST value is rupees 135. Find the final amount of the bill. So bill would be equal to cost of the product, which is 750, plus the value of GST, which is 135. So that would be rupees 885. The bill value is rupees 885. That's it. That brings me to an end of this video. Take care, be safe. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to write into me. Bye bye.